I don't understand how the deputy can see her at the stop sign. You need to sketch calls called earlier to that address. How would they know what address she's going to? I don't understand that part of it. Aside of that,
I mean, I'm not concerned where she's going to. What I'm concerned is, does he see her commit some kind of infraction?
no, he didn't.
Well, here he says that she rolled through some,
Well, no, he saw her at the stop sign, not go past the stop sign, not go through the violation, just at the stop sign. And it's just one house away from her house. There's a stop sign, there's a street, house is just right there.
no, I understand. I mean, you're saying there was an infraction.
It proceeded through the stop sign, Judge, is what I have in the DIMS.
Well, to go to the house and not run.
But I can't.
So that's the judge.
It's funny. Ms. Hamilton, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. You will be randomly tested. If I find that you're using, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. As much as I like Mr. Ross, I don't care. You use, you will go to jail.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Does she have any prior DWIs?
No, Judge.
No criminal history, no alcohol in the car, anything like that?
No, Judge.
All right. So because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with Mr. Ross. If he tells me he cannot get a hold of you, likewise, I will revoke your bond. Do not pick up any new cases. You're not also allowed to drive unless you have valid insurance in your name as well. Do you understand? Okay, we'll have you just sign a reset. You'll get with Veronica for your bond conditions. After that, you're free to go.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you,
you.
Judge.
Take care.
Glad to entertain you.
Always a pleasure.
To the bottom of 32, council's approaching for Wyatt. Come on up. Jeff. Out.
What was the last, I missed the last name on this.
Limbrick.
Limbrick.
Oh, I mean, the defendant is Wyatt. I'm sorry.
No, right. Well, everybody's a comedian today, huh? All right. Mr. Wyrick, you're charged with resisting arrest. You're also charged with criminal trespass.
Wrong Wyatt, John, wrong.
Wyatt?
Sebastian Troy.
Well, I see it. Okay, sorry, wrong one. Sorry. Hold on, let me see. There may be a significant difference. All right, Mr. White, you're charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. Okay,
Officer was dispatched due to disturbance. Complainant is defendant's mother-in-law. Complainant stated she and her daughter, the defendant's wife, were in a verbal argument. Defendant then started arguing with the complainant and struck complainant in the face with an open hand. Complainant stated this caused her pain. Complainant then asked defendant why he thought it was okay to hit a woman, and defendant struck complainant in the face again. Officer observed a bruise on complainant's chin and both of her shoulders.
got it. Okay, Mr. Wyatt, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case as a condition of your bond. I'm ordering you not to have any contact with the complaining witness in this case and not to be in possession of any weapons. If you violate these conditions, and I don't care how minute you think it is, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. Do you understand? I'm going to protect my community at all costs. I don't care who you are. I don't care how old you are. I don't care what color you are. You endanger it. It's just not going to go well for you. There's a protective order that has been issued in this case, and you need to get to know it. If you violate the protective order, they can and probably will file a violation of the protective order. That is one of the worst misdemeanors you can pick up. You understand? Because you-
Mayor,
Sure.
this is something that occurred 4 or 5 years ago. 6 years ago, and I mean, it's, can you amend the condition that no offensive?
I don't know, because I would first need them to reach out to the complaining witness to see what their wishes are. Until I know, I don't know, and I'm not going to take his word for it. I need to know what their position is. So I'll have the state talk to that person and we'll see what their position is, and then we'll go from there. But understand, there's still a protective order. So if you threaten, harass, use another person to, you know, be harassing, and it's not what you think. I don't give a rat's behind what you think. It's what they perceive. Do you understand? Okay, let me have you sign a reset. I'll have you take a seat in the jury box. We'll get your bond conditions, and then I'll have you talk to them, and then we'll go from there.
You know, we all have our conditions. They,
I'm gonna have,
Yeah.
but I'm gonna have them filed so that they outlast the entire, okay, it won't take long. We'll get you out of here within the next 20 minutes, so, okay, all right, please.
Right this way.
So can you file no contact, no weapons,
Yes, Judge.
please?
All right, Judge, bottom of 27, Sanchez, come on up. June 30th through July.
Take a seat. We'll be with you momentarily. Just take a seat. We'll have someone here momentarily. There's one. Are you by yourself today?
No, he's actually getting some more.
More inmates? Okay.
All right, go ahead and start here. We said this policy to the right. Okay. No, I got him to sign it.
You are Miss Sanchez. You speak English? Ma'am, you're charged with assault, bodily injury. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, ma'am.
On March 20th, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, officer responded to an assault call at a gas station. Complainant, an employee of the gas station, stated defendant came into the store crying and saying she needed help. Complainant told her to call 911. Defendant then came back inside and asked if she could charge her phone, and complainant said no and to leave the store. Defendant became upset and began to have a verbal argument with complainant. Defendant grabbed a Gatorade and hit the left side of her face, causing complainant to bleed from her nose. Defendant used a bag to hit the left side of complainant's face again, causing her pain. Complainant fought back in self-defense, and during the fight, defendant ripped a chunk of complainant's hair, causing her pain.
So what's the relation?
So I believe they don't know each other. Complainant was an employee at the gas station the assault took place at.
And you say it was alcohol or
There's no indication that
alcohol
alcohol is
or?
a factor.
no? Ms. Sanchez, I'm going to find there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you are not allowed back at this gas station. If I find that you go back or you try to have contact with this complaining witness or in possession of weapons, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. You will not get any more PR bonds. You have already been given 2 PR bonds. It is your last. You miss court again, I'm going to make your bond extremely high, deem you a flight risk, and put you in jail. That's it. Do you understand? Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer? How do you support yourself? How old are you, ma'am? As a condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. You will be randomly tested. You'll be tested a lot. If I find that you're using, likewise, you will go to jail. Do not use alcohol, including illegal drugs. Marijuana is included in that. Do you understand? Test next week, please. I'm going to have you fill out an application for a court-appointed lawyer. I need to know everything about you and we'll go from there. What time was this, by the way?
This was at all right, I didn't find up the office report.
Deputy, do you mind giving her an application, please? It's right behind you, right there. For now, I'm going to have you go sign a reset, and then I'm going to have you take a seat in the jury box while we let you fill out the application. You will eventually meet with Veronica for your bond conditions. Don't violate anymore. It's not going to go well. Hold on, she needs to sign a reset first.
Judge, it was at around 11 PM, or the officers were dispatched at around 11:30 PM.
Okay.
I can fill that out in the chain. I'm sorry, that's it for now.
Okay. Hey, you put a notice of appeal in there. I'm not gonna just, not just sign stuff for the sake of signing it. We have to approach, the defendant has speaker, we have to set appeal bond, conditions. So until everyone's here, I'm not, you just take it out, just put it in purgatory until everyone approaches. I need the defendants, I need her, and I need go. Because he's gonna have to fill out a new affidavit, so just wait for them and then we'll. Don't reach out to them. It's their responsibility to come to us.
Right, okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes. Let's keep that resolving. And then we're saving this. Silence? Okay. Can we please send the result? Alvarado?
Why? Why?
Mr. White, electronic signature, you're signing the law conditions right now.
Oh, oh, the trials, I know, got it. Let's look. Okay. So that's on 5-5, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we have two flood cases and Miss Woodward, and Carolyn Okafor.
Two and Miss Woodward are the same defendant with two different offenses.
Yes,
Different days, different transactions.
I mean, let me text Tyler to see if he can come by. Hi. What's up? With a C? No, no, no. I have a problem. It's 180 days old and you're still waiting on stuff? That's, no.
Sorry, Judge, first I heard about it today, let me check.
If this is the case, I'm setting it for a 10-day discovery hearing. Whatever's not in within the next 10 days doesn't come in. So,
We got videos back, we're releasing them now, we got them back. So it looks like, the body cams, so those are now in.
Surveillance videos.
We've tried writs a couple times, we have this, investigator trying to get the right phone number now, and other than that, Judge, we have. That's the new evidence that's coming, is the body cams.
what about MDTs? Is everything in? Is discovery complete?
No, Judge.
Then you've got 10 days. At 10 days, whatever's not in,
I understand.
okay.
Council Felicia,
Oh.
Judge, how much time on that?
10 days
Oh, okay, discovery.
for discovery hearing, yeah.
Oh. That's very 14.
Mr. Hager, you ready?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what's the word?
Mr. Williams.
Okay,
He has pending felony cases right now. He has pending felony cases. I believe it's gonna get worked out. I spoke with the state at the last hearing. They indicated these cases, would be dismissed. He accepts the deal in the felony case. May 14th is the felony setting.
I say, do you know that it's going to happen 100%?
Not 100%.
We need I mean, our case is 250 days old. We can't just keep holding it and hope and wish and pray. I would say we set it for trial. In the event that it doesn't go there, then we go here. We can't just keep,
I was just gonna ask if we could set it for the very next day, and then if he doesn't take that plea on the 14th, then, you know, we set it for trial then, or however the court wants to do it.
is there an offer?
Yes, time served.
No, I mean in the felony case?
Yes.
Oh, goodness. He's got a lot of, I don't think they're going to do anything. I mean, it's only been 4 months. He's got an aggravated assault and the injury to a child. No way it's going to get.
Taking a look. I
Yeah.
do see that they have an offering on the felony.
What is it?
Yes, they have a 2 years TDC on.
Wow, really? Okay, we'll set it for the 15th, and that's the last setting.
Yes, sir.
At that time, if it's not disposed of upstairs, and are you gonna dismiss these up if he takes the
I
TDC?
need to confirm with, felony, if what they're doing upstairs, just to confirm.
No, but if he does take it, you're gonna kill these out, right? Right, okay, so regardless, if he doesn't take it upstairs, we set it here. It's the last reset.
Yes, sir.
Okay, got it.
All right, thanks, sir.
You got it? Thank you.
And his counsel Felicia.
Hey, you have Elisa's phone number? Woodward? Yes, this is Judge Fleischer, Court 5. Is Elisa around? Yeah, that'd be great. She's having a trial setting for next week, early next week, and we need her announcement of whether she's ready or not. So, did you get the phone number on call ID?
Yes.
Correct. Yeah, that's my cell phone. If you don't mind just having a reach out, please. Okay, thanks. Have a great day. Farwa, I've reached out to both. As soon as I hear back, I'll let you know. We'll go from there for next week.
Hey, Judge Stacy Thompson.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I reached out. Tyler has 2 cases and then Elisa has 2 as well for next week for trial cases. So,
Carolyn has one as well.
oh, right. Oh, Carolyn has one too. Let me see. Miss Childs, hey.
Good morning, Judge.
Hey, good morning. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
Just hanging out. What's up?
So I have Mr. Leo Alvarado on the docket today. He's my client that has been coming every Monday and Thursday for about a month for drug testing, and he's been negative every time. So I'm
What's
coming
what?
back.
Yeah, what's the last name again?
Alvarado.
I can't hear you. Should talk about page 1, Judge.
Yeah, don't see it on the docket.
Alvarado?
I don't know why it's not showing up here. Oh, you must have reset it already?
Yes, Judge, he tested negative.
No, I mean, he's got 2 open DWIs and I'm sorry, just for the time being.
No, it's
What are
understandable.
we doing with it anyways? Oh, they're still pretty young.
Yeah, they're still new, Judge.
Yeah, I'm not ready yet. It's just, he's got 2
Okay.
open DWIs. It's gonna be a while. And then,
Understood.
once we get a little bit more confidence, Stacy, at that point, we'll go to 1 time a week randomly.
Okay.
But I'm not ready yet.
Okay, I understand, Judge. That's okay.
Okay.
I also have Mr. Omar Washington on the docket today.
Lisa, give me 1 second.
Page
Hold
43, 44.
on. Hold on. Give me 1 second. What page?
43, 44.
Okay.
So he recently came back incompetent based on the results from the Hair Center. I've asked the state to dismiss his misdemeanor cases so that the felony attorney can work out some sort of mental health diversion on his felony. So I'm just approaching on that because it's going to keep getting rolled until we get an answer from the
What do
state.
you think, buddy?
So I reached out to mental health, it's ADA Stubbers, I don't know if Stacy's been in contact with her, but she's checking with Brad, on what I think is felony.
Brad? Yeah, okay.
So to see what to have me do on that, say not to do anything until we have.
So how many days? Have we rolled it for a couple days now or what?
Just two.
I sent another email this morning when I got in and to follow up, because she said.
Can you hold for a second?
Sure.
Chat me your cell phone
Okay.
so I have it. And then as soon as we hear something, I'll reach out to you so you don't have to sit here and wait.
Okay.
If we don't hear anything now, I'll send an email.
Okay.
And then we'll figure it out though. So we don't have to just roll him day for day. So he has to get up really early.
Right. Okay. The last case I have, I'm needing to confirm if I'm appointed or not, is Mr. West, first name Caden.
You are. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So I'm approaching on that. I think he's in custody. I think
Yeah.
I was appointed maybe in the afternoon. A couple
So
days.
Mr. West has 3 open cases, the assault, mischief, evading. You tell me, what would you like to do?
I mean, I guess I could just get a general reset, but I wanted to make
Sure.
sure that he had a reasonable bond as well.
But they're all at 5,000. 5,002.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's fine.
I mean, he kept, I think, taking off and then the new cases and stuff.
Okay.
So after a while, if he's unable to bond out, let's talk. I obviously I won't keep it like this forever, but, oh, does he have something out of county as well?
He did, Judge. He was in another county when she was appointed. That's
Uh,
why the confusion was.
got it. Okay,
Okay.
All right, so you give me a date. How long, you want 30 days? You want 2 weeks? How,
Yeah, 30 days works, Judge.
okay,
All right, Judge, how's June 2nd through the 4th?
June 2nd is good.
okay, it's yours. What, we
Thank
can
you.
talk after that.
Okay,
Okay,
alrighty, that's it, Judge. Thank you.
thanks, Ms. Stacy.
All right.
Car wash. Hey, no,
No.
they stay as is, yeah. Hey, Elisa,
Yeah.
hey, are you ready for Tuesday? Are you announcing ready?
So, yeah, I need, yeah, I mean, if we're going, yes.
You're up.
I need to talk to Ashley, just, so, also she has 3 cases. Are we going on just one of them or?
Let me see. Let me pull it up real quick.
And didn't, I had, so I'm actually with my dad and,
I've got you on speakerphone, by the way, so careful what you say.
okay, I'm actually with my dad at Encompass, physical therapy, because he was in the hospital for a month with pneumonia.
You want to call me
So I'm
back?
just- No, it's fine, because he's doing they're doing PT with him now, who's here. But what I was gonna say is I need to, one, talk to Ashley. She did have felony court yesterday. I don't know if she did anything on her cases in felony.
I'll tell you real quick. Let me see. I'll put it up real quick. 257.
Because the offer that was made on her misdemeanors was based on if she did something on the felony. The current offer, I believe.
The felony got set for 5-6.
Okay.
The
so there
felony
was no-
set for 5-6.
Okay, I'll check and see if there's any offers on that case. I'll talk to
Let
her.
me,
So-
do you see, what do you see?
Oh, the felony?
Yeah.
Because the offer currently was based on if she took a plea.
Yeah, but these cases are super old, man. I'm not gonna,
I know.
yeah, she's just,
Yeah,
she's up.
okay, so I'll talk to the prosecutor and see which one.
You want to stop by tomorrow?
Yeah, I'll be in court tomorrow. I mean, I will be at the courthouse tomorrow. I wasn't there today and yesterday.
Yeah, don't worry about
My
it.
dad's moved,
Okay.
But I will be there tomorrow.
Stop by. We'll talk.
Okay,
Okay.
all right, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Well, we still have room.
Oh, hold on, Lisa.
Uh-huh.
Doing jury selection Tuesday and then testimony on Wednesday.
Yeah, yeah. And then the other one, I guess we'll just roll it. We'll roll it until it goes. We'll be done with this one and then we'll go on the other one. Yeah. Okay, thanks, Lisa. We'll see you
Okay, thanks.
tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Hi, good morning.
Good morning. I'm sure Mr. Ramos.
Ramos.
He's on the bond, docket, but he was in ICE custody. He was transferred to an ICE detention facility, the Montgomery.
Oh, right. They were going to decide today whether they're going to dismiss it or not.
So he requested eventually, all this, he wasn't brought out.
Yeah, I can't just continue to,
I got you.
Right.
I understand, Judge.
Yeah, I have a time served offer on it and took a look at it.
well, he's not, he's gone. He's either been deported or, do you know?
He was at, last I saw, he was at, in the ICE processing center. That's when we requested eventually, I'm pretty sure he was.
If you have the A number, you can check on,
We did, yeah.
let me see.
Maintaining a location.
I've got an A number for it if you want it.
No, I have his name.
You're welcome.
Well, regardless, she's not here. I can't just keep holding it.
I understand,
I'll
Judge. So
issue it.
I
I'll set it at
understand.
2501. And then if you want to negotiate with them, see what they do, I guess just let me know.
Understood, Judge. Thank you.
Are course monitored on the docket required
What's the last name?
to monitor? You having something
Hey,
Good morning.
hi, Mr. Smith. Come on up.
All right, 2 things, Your Honor. One, if I can meet you in your chambers for an AK motion, and also on the same case, we have an EVR. Mr. Christopher Nichols, I did not know that your court reporter was out. If we could have a substitute court reporter be available for the EVR hearing, please.
What's his last name?
Nichols,
Nichols.
Christopher Nichols, sir.
That's totally fine, okay.
Thanks.
He did the drug test this morning and it came back negative.
I'm sorry?
He did take a drug test this morning and it came back negative.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I don't have one. So is Mr. Nichols here?
He is here, Dr. Yes.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to now put a scram on his ankle today. And then we will have a formal hearing on Monday.
Okay.
Because I don't have a court reporter here now and they're short court reporters, so I'm not gonna pull someone else because they're busy as it is. So we'll set it for a formal hearing on Monday. He'll have to be back here on Monday.
Okay.
And in the interim, he'll go to scram today.
Okay.
And we'll go from there.
All right, thank you, Judge.
Do you have a motion you wanted me to see?
Yes, if I could.
Please.
He's been unemployed since October.
Yeah.
Let me. I think I'm gonna need, for that kind of money, I'm gonna need more of a breakdown on what he's gonna do, how long he's gonna take to get it done. Is it a blood case? Is it a breath test
It's a
case?
blood case.
It's solely a blood case.
Yeah, I think that, I mean, because this doesn't include trial, I need to know. That's what, 10 hours worth of work, right?
It could be depending on how long.
I mean, I'd like to know how long is it actually gonna take to look at, review the blood, determine if there are any inaccuracies, have him make an estimate on how long it'll take to do that. And then I'm happy to, if it's a reasonable, because I mean, how long does it take to look and really determine blood to see whether it's good or not? Does it really take 10 hours?
I don't think so.
Right. I'm happy to give you money. I don't have a problem with it, but I'm just not gonna write a blank check. If he's gonna say, okay, it'll take, 4 hours, sure, great.
Okay.
That's totally reasonable, but just to cut a check for 10 hours, knowing it'll take 3, 4.
Sure, I'll have him break it
So
down hourly.
break it down and I'm happy to do it for you.
Okay.
I'll file this under seal. The only other question I have is he married? Does he have children? Because
No, sir.
I need to know household income. Does he have who else is he living with? Just quite a bit of expenses, especially with,
He has used all of his savings since he's been unemployed due to the requirement of being interlocked. It's all gone. This actually was the last month that he had that.
okay,
He's
just, I'm happy to give you the money, see how long it's gonna take.
Sure.
File this under seal. And then I'll certainly give it to you,
I'll be
but
back for that.
I need to know how long it's gonna take to get it done, and then I'll give you money,
I appreciate that. Thank you.
a
very
reasonable,
much.
amount,
I understand.
Yeah,
Thank
for
you.
sure.
And with the requirement for the scram, he also has the interlock. Is he allowed to have does he need both? Or is he allowed to just have the scram at this time?
What does he have that he didn't retest on? What was it?
It was an English.
It was the interlock?
He was like.
Yeah, I think it's probably prudent still to keep it just in case so the car doesn't start in the event that he uses, because if he does go out and use, he can still get in the car. So I'm gonna pay for it, but now due to the fact that he skipped, he gets a scram.
Understood. I appreciate your
And
time.
then we'll
Thank you.
regroup Monday.
Thank
Okay,
you very
thanks,
much.
Mr. Smith.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Hi. Okay. Michelle Dappy.
Hello, Judge.
Hey, did you figure it out?
We did, Judge Gustavo Castillo. We
Yes.
did. So he got back to me later in the afternoon after he got off of work, and he scheduled it for Saturday at 10 a.m., Judge. So May 2nd, 10 a.m.
So you want to set it for Monday then?
That'd be beautiful, so we can get it
Okay,
taken
we'll
care
do
of and
that.
get it off the docket. Okay, Judge,
Okay.
I appreciate it. Thank
You
you.
got it.
Yes, sir.
Take care.
Yes, sir.
Hi, counsel, please.
Good morning, Judge.
Give me 1 second. Bottom of page 5,
Yes, Judge.
he has an interlock appointment for Saturday. So if you don't mind rolling it to Monday, must appear.
I'm sorry.
Okay,
Good morning, Judge. I'm Carla Guevara.
okay.
A little bit
It's,
of an older case.
oh,
We have been waiting, that's why I didn't want to move it from today's docket to.
sure.
We're still waiting on them to make a decision on the pretrial decision.
I have here that you guys, so you've turned it in.
We've done everything.
Everything's in?
It's my understanding, he just needs to go to the chief to get a final decision.
Because it's above qualified, Judge, I can't do anything with it.
I got it. No, obviously, right.
Uh,
So today's what, Thursday? So pick a day early next week. And then has he done the TRAS yet? Do you know? Or has she done it? She's not? Okay, so we'll pick a day early next week. We'll roll to that day. I'm gonna make it a required appearance if there's a decision. If there's no decision, it'll be,
Yes, sir.
okay? So maybe like Tuesday or Wednesday, something like
Thank you, Judge.
that. Okay, you got it.
I'll talk to him. Alvarez is also.
Council vote is set.
Hey, are you ready for Tuesday? Oh, that's not a good thing. Hey, can you stop by? Are you here? Don't stop by. I don't want to say anything. I don't want to say anything without the state. So can you stop by? Okay, all right. On Carolyn's case. She's got a trial. Carolyn has some Simpson set for 5, so she's gonna stop by so we can talk.
Sure. Thank you very much.
Breakfast. Right.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Hey, oh.
So it's okay. Yes, Judge.
Can I give you a call number? 257-8873.
Hold on.
They're trying to transfer all of them to us. It's been, the DWI second has been pending in their courts since November. The theft has been pending in their court since 8/18.
So for the DWI rule, it starts from the booking committee. But goes out, so yeah, Judge, I hate to say it.
No, but they've got two other cases in that court. Now he's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Oh.
7 cases.
I see what you're saying. Yeah.
So how does, I mean, you-
You'll need a screenshot and ask, well, normally if there's a conflict and me and another coordinator are unsure, I'll screenshot and forward it to Billy. That can you verify which court it's supposed to be? I can do that. Hi, George.
hey, what's up? Good to see you. Been a while.
I'm on this floor now, so you're gonna see me more often.
Thanks for the warning.
Mr. I'm sorry, Ramos, do you have a waiver? Oh, nice to meet you. Here's the waiver.
Hey, how are you? You don't look happy. You okay? Go take a vacation. Go on vacation. Who you got?
Cruz,
Cruz, okay?
he's on today's bond docket. He's
Okay.
back in the PCS. We are still waiting on the LLAs for the PCS.
Go.
Yes, I'm pulling up now, Judge, and check.
That's no bueno, man. It's 161 days.
So we have, and I'm trying to be scared, we have a lab report.
Oh, is that shared?
Mhm.
Oh, okay,
So
okay. Can I just get a couple?
Yeah, we'll give you a couple weeks, put an offer, he's gotta be back and then,
Okay,
yeah,
thank you.
okay. for sure.
That's okay. I just did you. so-
Have fun.
Okay. That might change things. Right, sounds
Hey, so tomorrow I have to do court 1. Oh, sorry, court 3, right, court 3, right. I hope they don't have a lot of arraignments.
What's that case with you?
Of course. What's going on?
260
Mm.
1183. His TRAS came back and it's recommended SATF. He was using a lot of drugs. We tested him on 414 as well, and he tested positive for THC and alcohol. We've had him tested every week, so he was a no-show this past week.
So let's do a court admonishment.
Okay, and then we're probably for SATF. Okay, doesn't matter what day.
Next week. No.
Okay. And the wait list is about 3 to 4 weeks right now, just so you're aware.
Your Honor, will be first.
Hey, yeah. Last name?
Herrera.
Okay. Oh, are we doing a plea?
100% Spanish.
Are we doing a plea?
Yes, sir.
Ah. Yeah, we need her to,
Oh, yes. Then I guess we'll wait.
yeah, just probably, she needs to sign, have she signed all the documents with you?
With me, yes.
Yeah, okay, they need a thumbprint and then we can do it right after.
Sorry, guys, what did y'all think?
Yeah, the whole body can, and also calls and that one, 100% Spanish. So it was a.
I'm gonna start sending you my emails in Spanish.
No.
All of that.
Honestly, that's fine.
Thank you.
Keeps the practice.
Yeah. I wish I had some of that.
Thank you.
What did you guys negotiate?
We got, had a reduced to AWY, 180 days probated for 23 months. With WI second.
We did that last time, yet we're here again. What's gonna change?
I think a lot has changed from when we want to get it.
Great. I mean, we're, you know, Ms. Herrera, that the next time, if you pick up a DWI, you're facing felony charges, 2 to 10 in the penitentiary, and they don't care if you're drunk or not. They look at your record, they look at your history, and that is a big play on what officers do nowadays because they want to be cool and they let you go, and you kill a family of 5, what happens? Their life is over, career gone. Just out of an abundance of caution, they pull you over, they smell alcohol. You may very well be looking at 10 years in prison. Last time, and what I find here is we do thousands of cases here. When we go too easy on people, what happens? It continues to happen. And here we are, we did probation last time, and yet we're here again. So why would we do the same thing?
Your Honor, she has been supervised for 171 days already. She passed the interlock device in her vehicle. She has not been drinking. She has a good relationship with the police trial officer. She's been going to the gym every day. She's started DWI courses. I don't think it's going to happen again. You know, if we have that talk. And her life has changed dramatically since then. She has a 7-year-old son who's currently just divorced over here.
If you go to prison, who's taking care of that son? Are you married? If you go to jail, you go to prison. Because I'm telling you now, if I find that you consume alcohol, I'm going to put you in a rehab facility, which at a minimum, it's going to be around 9 months. If you don't have anyone to take care of that child, or it's going to go to grandma, or it's going to go to grandpa, he's not going to probably have the right supervision. And you know who's going to take him under his wing? Someone who you may not like. And then, I don't know, maybe the streets will raise him. So, you know, when you're single, great. No responsibility. When you're married, your life becomes that of your spouse. When you have kids, your life's not yours anymore. Your life is that kid's. Because if you're not around, that kid, the apple never falls far from the tree. So if he sees you going to jail time and time and time again, happens to mom. If you're charged with driving while intoxicated, second offense, you're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. The state has moved to reduce it to a first. It's 180 days in jail to be probated for 2 years. As a condition of your probation, you will do a repeat offender DWI education class. No drugs, no alcohol. You will get a portable device that you're going to take with you everywhere you go. I am now going to suspend your license for a year. You are not allowed to drive. What else is there? Let me see. 2 victim impact panels. You must also do a TRAS. This is an evaluation to see what other conditions you need. If they assess other conditions, you must fulfill them. 24 hours of community service as well. Is this how you understand the agreement?
Right.
Your license her license is going to get suspended regardless because DPS will see a subsequent DWI education class. Your license will be suspended regardless. After a time, if you're doing well, I'll consider an occupational license, but I have to know that you're doing well. You have to have a portable device for some time and I'll be able to see that you're doing well. And then I'll consider an occupational license, but I have to know that if I'm going to put my name on a license for you, I have to be able to trust. You understand? This is a second DWI. Actions have consequences. It's never good when you come to court. And the consequence is you're lucky that you're not going to jail today. You understand? You're giving up the right to a trial, the right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you can never change this or undo this. Like I told you, you ever get pulled over, you're 62 or 71, officers will see DWI, DWI. If they smell alcohol, it's probably not going to go well for you. Do you understand? For the rest of your life, even if a sip of alcohol, don't get into a car. There are immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You also give up the right to appeal. How do you plead to this offense? Guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty. I will follow it. Good luck to you, man. What are you working at this time? What are her household expenses, or I mean, not expenses, but how income, does she get support from anywhere else besides herself?
No, just for your honor, I spoke to her, she only gets to have about $180 a month.
You can waive the fees. All right, good luck to you, man. I'm not gonna be understanding if you consume alcohol. I'm telling you now, it's not gonna go well for you. If you violate this probation, I'm gonna issue a warrant for your arrest. I will put you in jail. I'm going to make your bond high. I'm gonna bring you out. We will have a hearing. You violate this probation, you are looking at 180 days in jail. Do you understand? Okay, good luck. All right,
Thank you,
Counsel.
Robert.
Morning, Your Honor.
thanks. Hi.
Judge, I'm approaching on Mr. Roberts Clay, it's Robert's dad.
Yes.
Clay, the docket has two cases. I
Yes.
filed a motion to substitute in this case, or his cases.
Okay, I'll grant it for you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah,
Appreciate
for
it.
sure. Just haven't put it, you're on all, he only has one though, right?
He has two cases.
Oh, the deferred and then the,
Yeah.
got it. Okay,
Thank you, appreciate it.
you got it. Hi.
Good morning.
Hi.
I'm here for Anthony Johnson. So he was offered for saying, I just needs to fix his license and his case will be dismissed. So I was looking at the website. The only thing is he'll have to apply for an occupational license. It's not an EWI, so I've never done an occupational license for a non-EWI. But that would.
Has he ever had a license?
Yes.
Why is it suspended now?
I'm pulling it up right
There
now.
was an accident years ago, had insurance, and so,
So why is he not just taking care of his license and trying to take the easy way out?
he's trying to take it back.
Well, no, but what's preventing him from, if he has a license, if it's,
Had.
he can try to get it back. Has he contacted DPS to see why?
That's what we're trying to do now.
No. Just granting an occupational license is good for 30 days. That's it. After that, they have to extend it. The order I give you, it's not indefinite forever.
Well, so when I was looking at his website, it said that to get an SR 11 removal order, or.
Let me see, hold on.
It's an SR suspension.
Yes.
Do you, and so an SR 22, do you know what an SR 22 is?
So he'll just need to get the SR 22.
Well, I know, I don't know, but an SR 22 is a document that you get from an insurance company
Right.
that also goes to
Yes,
DPS.
you have to pay the extra, I know.
It says, hey, we know that he's supposed to have insurance, and if his insurance should lapse, we will let DPS know, and then DPS will take the action to either suspend the license, yank an occupational or whatnot. So
Well, I was really confused looking at the website, but it
let
said
me
that.
see. Does he have a prior DWI somewhere?
Huh?
Has he ever had a DWI?
No.
Can you pull up the driving record?
It was an accident.
Yes, I see that he has a suspension that started August 19th, 2024.
See, these are the,
Until when?
it doesn't have anything because he has to either get the notarized installment agreement SR 19.
There's no end date.
There's no end date.
He needs to contact them and getting an occupational license is the easy way out, but it's not an indefinite thing. It's only going to last you for so long. And then it's your responsibility to take affirmative steps to extend it for however long. If he has an indefinite suspension, the occupational license is not going to be indefinite to where you can just have it for the next 30 years and just drive on an occupational.
So it has different options. It says notarized release form SR 11.
So where is your client here now?
Judge, for Roberts, how much time is the one, this one that you gave? Regular case?
It's on docket, right?
Yes, Judge, please tell me.
See how old it is.
Even for a drug test, no negative.
Okay, I guess do 30 days. And then once discovery is complete, we got to wrap it up because he's on probation, so.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah.
Yes, because of the crack.
Here's Kendra.
Yes, sir. So I remember.
So this is what, here, I'm gonna give this to you. Okay, this is the number to the DPS driver's license division. Okay, you guys need to call them. Call at 7 a.m, right when the phone line's open. Do not call at 8. Don't call at 9. Don't call at 1. You're just right when the phone line's open, like at 6:59, call. You'll get through to an agent. And then they need to tell you exactly what needs to happen to get the license back eligible.
SR 60.
I know, but they can tell you definitely what you need to do to get, I'm telling you, this is the easiest way to do it. Is to call them, say, hey, what do we need to do to get the license back? They'll tell you exactly what steps you need to do, instead of taking a shot in the dark. Okay, let's do this, let's do this. It's nonsensical. You're gonna spend $500 on an occupational.
Yeah.
It's not gonna last that long, and then you're back to square one, and you're at the same place.
Yeah.
Call them, I'll give you a week, have them call. They're gonna tell them exactly what to do, and then just let me know, and then we can talk, and then we'll work through it.
Okay.
But just occupation for the second, you're putting on a Band-Aid when you need something else.
Yeah.
Right.
I'll come tomorrow.
Okay.
Thank you.
And then just come back. I mean, I'm here tomorrow. Just come back and then let's talk, and then we'll figure it out.
Okay.
Okay? Hi.
Morning, Judge.
What's up?
Judge, we're focusing on Mendoza, Adriana's first name.
Okay. Okay, there we go. Working on that. More time.
Hey, we were both this morning, Judge.
Oh, great. So is she here?
She's here, Judge.
Great. We'll send you for a TRAS now,
Okay.
and then we'll set you off a couple weeks to finish everything up.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Have fun. Hi.
Morning, I'm approaching on Destiny Ward.
Ward. Okay.
She was in her drug test, Judge. She did test positive for THC. However, my understanding is she was a chronic smoker prior to being ordered for a drug test. She is not yet at her 30-day mark.
No, I usually give more than that anyways.
Could y'all confirm that?
I usually give around 40 to 50 days to clean out. So let me see, when did we tell her not to? Let's see.
My understanding from the trial is that it was her 30-day mark should be tomorrow. Oh, that's why I was saying.
So we ordered her not to use 3/24. March 24th is when we told her not to use. So I will give you 50 days from the 24th. So 30 would be the 24th of, let's see, March 24th, so that would be April 24th. And then 20 days from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, May 14th.
May 14th?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Let's set it for that day, and then she got tested. Hopefully she's negative.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes, ma'am. Hey, hi, Jesse. What's up?
Off docket matter.
What's your cost number?
Can I give you a case number?
Yep.
258-8155.
Okay, Rosales,
Yes.
Yeah. talk to me.
This is a PTI, we took the TRAS, we took the TRAS last week,
Okay,
and that's Thursday, and it still hasn't come back. I'm just checking it because it said next week.
are you say you're applying a PTI?
Oh, we have raised.
What's the word, Thunderbird? Can you give us 5 minutes? Because she's gonna find out right now how
I
long.
was just gonna
Maybe
ask
she
for an
has.
additional week, because I want the body to do.
You're not bothered, but I can get it to you today, probably.
Yeah, because it's only a 0.09, and she can approve it right now.
Have you approved it?
So, yeah.
Okay, so it's approved. We're waiting on the TRAS. We'll give you 2 weeks. So that makes it a total of 3, but he's got to be done with everything, with interlock and DAP and all that.
May 21st, we'll be ready.
Done.
Thank you.
But that's it.
No.
If he doesn't have it done, I'm rolling in day for day, because by then you're,
We'll have it done.
Okay. all right, my friend. Have fun. Hi.
Yes, Your Honor. I found out about the body word.
Shoot.
For this, and then,
Mm-hmm.
you suspended the license.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Was that discretionary?
Yeah, it's a DWI second, you know, I know that they reduced it to first, but I'm still gonna suspend her license. She's gonna get a suspended license anyways. When DPS gets wind that she's taking the subsequent DPS class, she's getting a suspended. Yeah, there has to be consequence to behavior. She's skirting jail time now. Yeah. That's it.
Can you wear this for the minimum 90 days and then she's.
She still has a DWI second. She's already done probation. We're here yet again. She has to feel the pang of picking up a DWI. It's not just a complete, oh, here we go, here, please come back out, go, please. Because that's what it's really been. Here, this is, there should be a minimum of at least 3 to 5 days here. Okay, no. Yeah. Okay, but like I said, I will consider an occupational. I want her to get the portable device. I want to know that we can trust her. After some time, come back and I'll give her an occupation. Okay? Yeah. Hi, Mr. Wong. What's up?
I have Mr. Williams.
Williams.
Mr. Williams, Darius.
Uh,
It's set for bond forfeiture.
oh, he's on the bond docket?
Yeah, because, I think.
It's 650 days.
The 14 court has, and the 14 payment became a bond.
Checking it out. Joe.
Please. Yeah, he had that evading, the felony evading in Port Bend. Because we gave him a bond, or let me see. Yeah, because they gave him a PR bond here, he was eligible for release, they picked him up.
And, I think I did some Google on it, the bond will offense to the. But we only 5,000.
45,000. Oof. I mean, I can't just keep resetting it. I have no idea. Yeah, I was just, what I'll do is I'm gonna yank the PR bond. I'll leave the bonds as is. I'm not gonna raise them. But I mean, he's got an open case elsewhere. I can just continue to,
Okay.
So, hey, do you mind yanking the PR bonds on Mr. Darius one? Okay, I'll leave it as is. Have you spoken to the family at all? Do you know?
Yes, John, I am in touch with mom and,
Do you want to stay on the case or do you want to withdraw?
I'm okay.
You want to stay on it? Okay, whatever you, I mean,
I'm okay.
okay, whatever you need. All right. Thanks, Mr. Warner. Hi, Carlos.
How you doing, Jim?
What's up, man?
We're here on Mr. Lacy Castillo, the gentleman that was here yesterday. He stayed at our office until the whole packet was submitted.
Great.
And we didn't confirm the packet was submitted. So I was gonna see if we could get it.
Yeah, we'll give you, no, not a standard reset, but let me see how old it is. Hold on.
Oh.
Hey, what page is Carlos in? He's got like 4 names. Yeah.
5, top of 5.
How did it pass?
Just do over here, that's Judge.
Yeah, so they turned it in now.
Turn in the mitigation package.
Yeah, you got it, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let's,
We turned in the application, Judge.
well, they need a mitigation package.
Yeah, because that's the old one.
I mean, how come
Well,
it?
I heard yesterday the application meeting. That's all.
No, but the whole thing, man, the whole thing, not just the application.
Well, that's the morning and they told me, it's okay, you're also gonna need a mitigation package.
We talked about it yesterday that she needed a mitigation package.
I don't remember that, Judge. That's from the application.
Okay, I'll set it for Monday. He's got to have the mitigation package by Monday.
Okay. Thank you.
If he doesn't have it by Monday, I'm gonna roll it day for day again.
Okay. It was sometime. Thank you, Judge.
All right.
Yeah. Thank you. You too.
Judge, I have one case.
Hey, no, hold on, Dan. Lindsay was here first.
Yeah, sure.
Lindsay,
I'm here, Your Honor.
hey, bud, or hey, sorry, not bud. How are you?
I'm good. I'm here on Bali on docket.
Who's your person, please?
Bali on docket.
Was it with a B?
Yeah, BALI.
Do you just want to reset?
Yes. She is in the hospital with pregnancy complications. The reason why her appearance is required is because she was supposed to get a job. I don't think it's going to happen, but
Okay. Hey, Ed, you okay? Hold on, you guys need the thumbprint? Yeah, if you don't mind bringing. You wanna talk? Hey, just chat with, just email, Victoria, whatever you want. It's an early case, so just, you're good.
Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
Have a good day.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Aviles.
Good morning.
Sir, you're charged with evading arrest or detention. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they are offering you 3 days in jail with credit for the 30 days that you have done. You need to understand something very important, that this is an enhanceable offense. This will now end up as a conviction on your record. If you pick up another evading arrest, you will be facing felony charges, possible years instead of days. You understand?
Yes.
You give up a lot of rights by entering into this agreement. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers if you are not a citizen. There are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You also give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you can never change this. It will end up as a conviction forever. Knowing this, do you still want to do this?
Yeah. Yeah.
How do you plead to this offense? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
You don't have to do this if you don't want to do it. She's had a detainer. Is that why he's in custody now?
Yes, sir, that's correct.
Your other option is you can set this for trial and we can go to trial. I can give you a relatively quick trial setting, but this isn't Target. You don't, once you plead guilty, you can't return it because you don't like it. It will stay like this forever. If you want more time, you can also have more time as well. I don't want you to make a rash decision or one that you will regret forever.
I accept it.
Are you sure? Are you guilty of this offense?
She said, there's a lot of charges. I don't know. I didn't do anything like killing someone or anything.
There's no,
And I didn't think that they were gonna stop me from ending because I was going to.
you only have one charge, as far as I see. The only charge that you have is evading arrest. You're facing up to a year in jail. It's not a joke. A lot of people think this and that, it's just, but this is a serious case. You're facing a lot of time and it's an enhanceable offense. So if you run from the cop, from, again, it's a felony charge. So don't take it lightly. If you want more time, you seem like you're not ready. I can give you a couple days to decide.
No, I'm guilty.
Are you sure?
That's it. I'm sure.
You've gone through the evidence.
Yes, Judge, and I've also reviewed the immigration advisor that I received from the magistrate.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Aviles, I'm gonna find you guilty. Sentence you in accordance with the agreement. Best of luck to you, sir. Thank
Judge, I have one case when you're ready.
All right, do you want to follow the silence?
On this side?
Outside, Andrea.
But he, and he had people, is it a flat? Oh,
So I had fun. That's what it says, but it also says if you have these things. It's okay, no worries. No, I just did schedule, schedule 3, 7, 4, 5, 0, 6. Council for reset. There also, there's no Jesus, there was a non-valid. I figured you could say that. And then the department is called Warren Century. Something sexual. Well, they. Yeah. I'm just gonna send that to the supervisor.
Keep on saying, get going, give me. Now the next seat. Yeah. Y'all got a county issue and okay. But I think that I am getting to present last and better than last year.
What was the offer?
30-day PPI,
Okay.
fix the travel license and registration of insurance.
The one for five?
Yeah,
Okay.
because I want to put some pressure.
Okay. How is May 27, 28?
On the 8th year. You should respond. Saturday.
Well, everybody there, hold on, let's just, sergeants
Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah. Where is it? Don't get a hair. Oh, yeah. My food is man, I'm looking. So I like to go to the balcony.
I know, I'm just.
Hi, Mr. Gaines. Hi, come on up. Hey, Victoria, after this, I'm gonna go, does court 10?
Yes, they said 10:45.
Yeah, okay. All right, Mr. Gaines, who's you got?
Matthew Martinez.
Okay. Right. Oh,
Bond violation, but
this is,
he gets a text every day of when he's supposed to report or not report and receive no text on that day. He went and tested right now. And he's gonna be patient.
did it, Veronica, what happened with Mr. Martinez? Did he get a text or no?
I got a tweet here for you, like,
Okay, yeah, get on it, Doug, on it.
I didn't see that the first video text was sent. In this instance, we get the clients to follow us, to let us know their decision. He just tested this morning and he tested.
Great, but he's still not going when we ordered him to go. What happened?
Well, he's.
Mr. Gans is saying he didn't get a text.
This is in the room that he didn't get a text.
He did not.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, we'll just continue supervision. Okay,
One thing, Your Honor, he's changed jobs, and I have a letter, he's working for Dot Club as a, he's trying to be an assistant pro out there, he's starting in the pro shop,
what do you need?
5 a.m. to 10 p.m. because he's working, course opens at 7, you gotta be there by.
Yeah,
6.
okay.
So just 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. because then when you
Why
get started.
5?
5 in the morning, because he's got to be there by like 6, or something to 7.
How far does he live from you? And
then,
then I guess,
the range, all that, like, you can see what he's getting paid is.
so, yeah, okay, but not 7 days a week though, right? He doesn't work 7 days a week for his schedule.
Well, the course is open 7.
I know, but he's not working 7 days a week.
No, I know, but I don't know what his schedule is going to be.
He'll have to let them know, but I'm okay with it. Yeah, I'm not giving carte blanche every single day to, just for the work. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, how do we word that?
I mean, Veronica knows how.
Is it just like a changing schedule?
Yes.
Oh.
He'll need to provide a work schedule so that they can see it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Hi, for sure. Hi, good morning.
Wait, 5 is, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me what's the word?
So I believe he was on bond and then he picked up.
Yeah, he picked up a new case. I'm gonna yank the PR bond. He's got, it's just, I'll leave him as is, but, okay.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Hey, what's up? Good morning.
I have a client who has a warrant, I believe I do already this year.
Okay,
Yes, Mr. Mercado.
What's-
Case number is 261
okay.
4330. He is present.
Do you mind bringing him up? Can you look to see if he has a license to drive, please?
Yes, Judge.
That's.
All right, Mr. Mercado, you're charged with illegal dumping again. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. Yeah, the record remains silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you, sir. Okay.
Vehicle pulling a trailer seen stopping along the roadway in Harris County, Texas, and a male exits and dumps 5 large trash bags from the trailer
onto the side of the road and then drives off. It was not an approved dumping location. One of the bags was found to be 65 pounds. The bags were full of treated debris consistent with landscaping work. Officer was able to pull the license plate from the video and vehicle came back registered to the defendant. Officer was able to pull the Texas driver's license, pick a defendant, and identified him as the same male seen on video. The defendant refused to meet with officers on contact.
Okay, does he have a license to drive?
He does, Judge, it's eligible.
Mr. Mercado, as a condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to go back to this site anymore, not to do any more illegal dumping. Otherwise, I'm going to put you in jail and I'm going to make your bond high. Do you understand?
Yes.
You're not allowed to drive unless you have a valid Texas driver license and liability insurance in your name. You must maintain car insurance. That is also a condition. If you don't have it, then do not drive. Do you understand?
Yes.
So his bond is $100 now. Is he gonna?
Well, we asked the PR bond judge, we do have, some things coming up, so, financial situations. Okay.
What do you think?
I usually handle these, Judge. I'm fine with the order.
I'm going to grant you a PR bond, Mr. Mercado. As a condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. You will be randomly tested. If I find out you're using, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. Do you understand?
Yes.
This is not a revolving door. You will not get another PR bond. If you pick up a new case, violate conditions, into jail you go. No more PR bonds.
Can I get a case number?
261-4330.
4331?
0. Okay, for now, we will have you meet and sign all the documents. After that, you'll be free to go. Okay, thanks. I'd like it verified that he has insurance, please. Okay. Zoe,
Yes, Your Honor. How are you?
what's up, buddy?
Nothing much, Your Honor. I
Talk
was
to me.
reporting on Chelsea Edwards. You ordered us to come back next week on 5/5. However, she's got her TRAS date. That's the 13th of May at 7:30. And then she's been accepted into the program already. And I didn't know that when I scheduled the date. I didn't know that she had a conflict or that she would be out of town. So I'm asking, can we come back after the TRAS?
Is she on docket today or no?
No. She's not on docket. She was on docket.
What's your cause number?
Cause number is 258-9891.
When is it? So, but they got approved, he's approved for PTI?
Yes, Your Honor.
Chelsea Edwards?
Yeah.
Yes, Judge.
Okay. What day is the TRAS set for?
The 13th of May.
Why so far? The case is already 8 months old.
Oh, I don't
Can
know.
you do it sooner?
I can ask them.
Ask her to pick a day sooner, and then I'll schedule whatever day you want. You tell me.
Well, that's just the date that they gave her. Like when I sent everything in, they gave her the TRAS date of the 13th, the appointment time.
Judge, she said she can send them whenever the defendant comes. They can come over.
If whatever day she wants to come in before that, have her come in, and we'll send her to go do a walkthrough TRAS.
Okay.
If you want to bring her in tomorrow, we can send her tomorrow. If you want to do Monday, we can do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, any day you want. But the case is old, man.
Okay.
Today was plea or trial, so just have her come in before, and then we'll send her to go do it. You pick it. Reach out to her, and then let me know.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
All right.
I'll hit you up next, Kobe. Let me just do this plea real quick. All right. Good morning, Miss Outland.
And how are you?
I'm great. You? Well, hopefully today will be a lot better. We're not asking for much. We just want our streets safe, you know? You're charged with assault. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement. They're offering you 63 days in jail with credit for the 21 days that you've done. You need to understand that this charge will now reflect as a conviction on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. From now on, it's a minimum of 90 days in jail. Do you understand? You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You also give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you can never change this or undo this. Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to the offense of assault? Guilty or not guilty? Also, when you show up to court, good things happen. When you don't show up to court over and over, you understand. If you pick up a case, come to court, good things happen when you do. All right? Okay, good luck, man. Thanks. Okay, Kobe.
Hi, Judge.
Hey, bud, what's
Morning.
up?
Just have Mr. Kiwana Carey, Cary, on your docket this morning. I believe he's there. Pretty new case. I think he's on the docket because you had given him a condition to try to find a job, which I had asked him in advance of this setting whether he had. He told me he's
This
been
gentleman,
trying.
does he have a BVR?
I don't think so. I think it was
I thought
just
I had a case with you where I saw there was a BVR. I don't know.
You did. It's Miss Murphy. We set that for tomorrow.
Okay, that's another case.
Yeah.
You just want to reset?
I do. They're still waiting to do a RIP call, I think. It's a terroristic threat, and they haven't reached the complainant yet. So,
where's Mr. Carey now?
Well, I thought he was there. I texted with him this morning. Is he not there?
Let's find out. Do you mind calling for Mr. Carey out there, please?
Let's see.
What's up?
Just need to clarify one thing. So his golf job is in addition to the job. It's the has Monday, Wednesday, Friday, still in roofing. Which is different locations. Now he has a Google document work, all locations and addresses coming up for the month. I just wanted to manage if he provides that. Because like basically the way it works is as long as you're going to work and back, you're fine.
For what?
No, so he was like, why they still looking for the 13th?
And he's allowed to go to work and immediately return back to his house. But his roofing job, he has to go to multiple houses.
I thought he was doing changing jobs.
Well, I thought so too. It's a in addition job. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday, he's working for the roofing as a contract sale. And then his golf is in between.
Has he provided proof that he's doing that?
He does not. I told the attorney that if he provides proof.
Yeah, I'm not going to take his word for it. Tell him, have him provide us proof that he's actually doing that and that he's in a legitimate job, and then sure.
We have a Google document from his company that lists out all of his locations coming up for the whole month.
And so I wanted to verify if
A
that.
Google document from his work?
Right. Share between all the sales.
Let me, is he on docket today or no?
Yes.
Okay, let me do this real quick and then I'll.
Already approved. He asked the DA because you know they want.
Carey, tell me about what's going on with you and work.
Okay, yeah.
How many applications have you done?
They'll say, hey, the Superior Court. They will give you.
Why not?
And go take the T-RAD to the board from judge, and then you just go down to 49, set up. As.
What have you been doing every single day for the last 38 days? What are you doing to better yourself, Mr. Carey?
that they pay is not.
You need to go get your social security card.
No, it won't, it would just kind of like be.
I'm giving you a
You have the order from the court, so let me see what time.
Go get your social security card so you can do stuff above the board. We're not asking much from you. I want you to be the best person that you can be, and that starts with a legitimate 9 to 5 job. You understand? You have a week. I'm not asking much from you, man. Okay.
5-7 is one week.
What day you want next week, Kobe? I don't care.
Can we do, well, let's just do Thursday or let's do Friday, actually. That'd be
Done.
better for me.
Okay.
All right. And I'll get with client and reemphasize your message.
Out having fun somewhere, man.
No, I'm at a conference.
What a life. What a life.
I'm at a CLE. It's not fun, but it is in Chicago, so that's okay.
Have a great day, man.
Thank you, Judge.
Bye. Dan.
Yeah, Jack, I just have Thomas Rivera. He has to complete a DSC course and then we can get this thing wrapped up. I have court next Wednesday, so if we could just move it to next Wednesday.
So we have here March, he was giving a class and a $30 fee for a dismissal.
Yeah, I talked to him yesterday. I explained just to do the class. He's taking it this weekend, so we're gonna
Mr.
turn
Rivera
it
here?
in. No.
He's supposed to be here.
Oh, I thought his appearance was waived.
No.
Okay. Well, he can complete the class this weekend, Your Honor, if you, I spoke to him.
Okay, you have until Monday, Dan.
Yeah, that's fine. He told me, yeah, sounds good. And Your Honor, when I email this stuff to all the prosecutors, then I won't have to come in, correct?
Say it again?
Once I email it to the prosecutor and get him to pay the $30, then will he still have to show up on Monday?
If it's dismissed on Monday, no. But
okay, great.
He's supposed to be here today. He's not here today. I'm setting it for bond forfeiture. If it's not dismissed, his ass better be here Monday.
Okay. Sounds good. All right. Take care, Your Honor.
Bye. Zoe.
Yes, Your Honor. So my client is available. She can come in tomorrow morning.
Okay. Just have her walk in and then we'll send her for a TRAS. And then after that, we'll give you 2 to 3 weeks to finish it up.
Okay. At 8, should she come in at 8 tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Here
she'll
at
come
8,
work-
the quicker she
paperwork
gets here, the quicker we'll send her for a TRAS. If she gets here soon, we'll send her as soon as she gets here. And then the quicker she's here, the quicker she's done.
Okay. All right. I'll tell her to be there at 8 tomorrow.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Wait, hold on, Zoe. What time do you get here?
7.
Right there?
Yeah.
Dang, you're the best. Okay. So yeah, 8's good.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
I'll tell her to be there. All right. Thank you.
See you tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Gans, let me see. Do you have, so I can see it?
Yeah, it's on his phone. Okay.
Sure. What's his last name again?
Martinez.
Yeah, that's right.
It's like a company share thing when you click on.
How do I know what the heck this is?
Oh, just put the date that you want to look at and the appointment that I arranged, and then it shows you the address and the time of appointment.
What am I hitting? Which one?
The screen, but anything that's purple. So click on that. And then it shows you exactly where I looked at that.
What is this? This is a court. Okay, this is a court. This is something that you can just create and anyone, my 15-year-old son can just put this in a phone, just put it in and then have me look at it. This is a court. Usually we do stuff on like letterhead so that we know that it comes from an actual job, not something that you could just input and have me take a look at. So really,
Maybe that can be put
if
on
you want,
a bit letterhead.
I need something more legitimate, that's just something that you can just type up and put in there. And then, no. I have a line of people. I still have to hit another court. Take your time. I'm not gonna just sit here and wait. I have a lot of other things. Take a seat and then show me. Okay, come on up, please. Hey,
You have Mr. Juan Robles in the jury box. In terms of, this is one you set them for drug testing every Monday and Thursday. It's actually Monday, no issues, Thursday.
yeah, because this gentleman continues to pick up cases. We're now on number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 within a year and a half. What is the BVR?
There's no BVR, so he was sent for a drug test today, and it was positive for THC and cocaine.
Oh.
He took a test on Monday, and it was only positive for THC.
Come up. When did he test positive for cocaine? Today. Mr. Robles, I'm now revoking your bond. You are going to jail. Okay. Yep.
Judge, if I may, be heard on possibly setting the bond today.
Sure, of course.
We would ask for a 15. And we haven't been bond.
No. Due to the nature that he and all the crap, all this 10,001. You're going to jail. Goes with you.
Judge, if we may approach.
Absolutely. Anytime you want, except, right, not, you can approach tomorrow, you can approach, not Saturday, Sunday, but Monday, but.
This is gonna go.
Yeah.
Thanks, Judge.
Have a great day. Yes, yeah, that way we have, yes. Hi.
Christmas, sir.
Please, gingerly.
Well, what Thanksgiving more like what I like to eat. You're gonna have Mr. Tryon.
Okay.
Please today, sir. With the first blessing we have.
Oh, you have a plea?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Tryon, coming up.
Your Honor, this is Mr. Tryon.
Mr. Tryon, you're charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they're offering you a 12-month deferred adjudication. This is a type of probation that if you complete successfully, there's no conviction on your record. You need to understand, though, you give up nearly every right known to man entering into this agreement. If you violate said agreement, you are looking at an entire year in jail. If you test positive for alcohol, illegal drugs, including marijuana, you have a gun, contact with the complaining witness in this case, all these things, you pick up a new case, I will issue a warrant for your arrest, put you in jail, make your bond high. We will have a hearing to determine whether you violated this agreement. If you do, like I said, you're looking at a year in jail. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
History tells us a lot about people. Everyone here tells me it's little bunnies jumping in the woods, gumdrops and rainbows, and here we are. Since 22, you're working number 4, and they're all serious cases. I believe everyone deserves a chance, but I'm going to tell you now, with this criminal history, you violate. You understand. I want you to do well. And the main idea is that you learn self-control. All these cases here are one reason, self-control. You get upset and you wig out without thinking, if I do this, what's going to happen? If I say this, here, This comes in affirmative finding of family violence. If you pick up another one of these cases, you were looking at a 3rd-degree felony. Do you understand? And if you've been to the pen at least one time, you could be facing a 15 to life case next time. You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You also give up the right to appeal. This is final today. You either complete it successfully or it gets revoked. For you to complete this successfully, you must do a batterers intervention prevention program. It's a BIP class that you must attend once a week for 18 weeks. If you skip one class, we will issue a motion to revoke because there is a set curriculum that you're supposed to follow, and that includes going once a week for 18 weeks. Do you understand? So you need to make sure that when you sign up for this class, don't have, okay, well, I've got a vacation plan here. I've got to go do this here this week. Or make sure that you have that set day. If it's every Wednesday, you have every Wednesday for the next 18 weeks open. You understand? It's not hard. We're not asking much from you. Complete the class. Don't use any alcohol or drugs. Don't have any weapons, and that's it. No contact with the complaining witness. How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty? I'm not going to find you guilty. I'm going to withhold that. And no contact with Ms. Tryon. I'll make you a deal. If you complete this successfully, if you do well and get it done quick, I'll take you off in half the time. I routinely take people off probation if they do well and at least half the time. That depends on you. So you can be out of this thing in, 6 months if you really kick butt. All right? All right. Good luck. Thanks.
Your Honor, this is the case where Ms. Tryon came in to file her motion to have the bond condition lifted. Stating that she's in no fear. She filed a motion for, for non-prosecution.
I remember that you came in here.
And
my only question is, he's got quite a bit of violent history.
yes, sir.
Do any of the priors have anything to do with her?
The prior Agasol,
It's with her?
yes, Your
But
It's an aggravation. She has a prior aggravation. Is a terroristic threat against her too?
Honor. That's a different ruling.
if I may, Your Honor, further, this is one of the most strange cases I've seen. I got a call from her mother saying, dude.
You know what? I'll make you a deal.
Yes, sir.
In time,
And it's killing them financially.
it's what?
It's killing them financially too.
I'll kill the money. He won't have to pay a thing for this
She's
thing.
staying in a hotel and just.
The thing,
I understand that, of course.
right. If he has a prior aggravated assault with the same person that was dismissed about a year, not even about a year ago. Now we're here on another assault. When the times get tough, the last thing I want is him to,
Those eight kids
Yeah.
are tearing us up right now. It's just.
8 kids.
I've never had a mother-in-law call me.
Mr. Tryon, the apple doesn't fall far from the tree. If kids see family violence, what's going to happen with the kids? Kids emulate and act exactly like their father. If you had a father that was hard on you, the apple doesn't fall far. It never does. The last thing we want is, do you want your kid to have a record like this? Right. You know what I mean? Patience goes a long way. And at this point, I'm not ready to trust. If things go well on the probation, come back and we'll do baby steps.
Yes, sir.
But I'm not going to hope, wish, and pray. The last thing I want is more blood on the streets.
I told you.
Come back 30 days. If things are going well, 60 days, then we'll talk. But baby, I want to know that you are taking a proactive approach to life, meaning that you're grabbing this by the horns. You've started the anger management class. You've gone through it, so I know that at least you know how to cope with anger when you get it, because it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. You're gonna get pissed. You got 8 freaking kids. It's a matter of time before you lose it. But the idea is, how are you going to deal with it when you do lose it? Are you gonna beat them into submission? I know you say no, but look at this. Paper tells me about every person that I'm dealing with. I know you're going to tell me it's rainbows and gumdrops. I told you that when you got up here at first. But I want to know that you have found a way to deal with the anger when it does occur, because that's what scares me. I don't want anyone beaten into submission. It's just not a life that anybody should. Good luck.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, thanks. All right, counsel, come on up. Thanks for being patient.
You're gonna have an object case.
Okay, what is it?
It's 2 states, 1, 3, 2, 5, 2.
Okay,
So, we were docket on April 8th. You put them on bond conditions. I came about a couple of days later when y'all were in trial. When I approached you, you said, have the state reach out to the complaining witness to amend the bond conditions.
okay,
He's tried, I believe he's been unable to. My client's DAP suspension is about to run out. So he has kind of nowhere to go. He's a senior. He's about to graduate. They say he can't graduate from DAP. So I need to get these bond conditions removed or allowed, or for him to be allowed to attend high school. The high school, he goes to a law high school. He has a scholarship to go to college. He played football. He has no criminal.
is Mr. Davis Weefall here now?
No, sir, because it was all black. So I just needed to see.
Have him come and then we'll talk. So who's the complaining witness? Is it another,
This is,
It's an ex-girlfriend.
yes,
is it another student though?
yes, Judge. The trouble is trying to line up the time to get to speak with her after class when she's available, and also we've gotten a hold of the mom and given her the victim impact services statements and all that kind of stuff, but getting in touch with the victim or the complaining witness.
So let's do this. Can you bring him Monday?
Okay.
And then let's talk. Can you really do your darndest to try to get a hold of her between now and then? I want to know, you need to let them know that this is what they want. So reach out to the family, go, look, we've tried multiple times. If you're not getting a hold of us, this is what potentially is going to happen. So we need your,
One more additional thing. So initially he was placed in school suspension, right? And then the girl found out he was in school suspension and she was trying to contact him. He's not trying to contact her, but she was trying to make contact with him while he was in school suspension. So I just want to make sure that.
he's not allowed to have contact with her at all. Right. So if she still should be trying to reach out to him, just tell him not to reply.
I've done that.
Don't answer. If she comes to your house, don't
I've done that. I've
open
done
the
that.
door.
But you know how it is.
Yeah, sure, I get it, but he just needs to know that everything now in life, there are eyes and ears
Correct.
everywhere. So,
He doesn't want to mess up his scholarship.
Yeah. I know, I mean, look, this is, if you have a scholarship, a football scholarship, you're now teetering on just,
Yeah, right. So, okay.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. So I'll see y'all.
okay.
Now, Pro Judge,
Hi,
how
Sean.
you doing today, Judge?
What's up, man?
You know Mr. Graham?
Okay.
Anthony Graham, just approach him to see if we can get a short reset for evaluation purposes.
In jail or bond?
Bond, Graham is the last name. He's charged with animal cruelty.
Ooh. It's 225 days old. Mr. Graham, come up. Did you tell him about the deal today?
Yeah, he doesn't, it's a probation. We were hoping that, possibly resolve it with a time served. The state's not at the time, there's one.
There's 2 deferreds on that, Judge. So
He's opposed to probation.
Yeah, it's probably, you have until Monday to decide what you want to do with this case. You must either accept the plea bargain agreement on Monday, or I'm going to set your case for trial. If I set your case for trial, then I will not accept any more plea bargain agreements after that date. That is your deadline. Do you understand? Your case is 225 days old. We set cases at 180 days. You're way past that day. You have until Monday. Do you understand? it would behoove you to get with him, go through all the evidence, but that is your final reset. Okay,
All right,
see you Monday.
See you Monday, Judge. Thank you.
Hi, Mr. Ute, come on up.
How you doing? I'm here on Kristen Lewis.
Okay,
Mr. Lewis, put in a medication packet.
Did-
So it's PTI,
did
PC.
you see it?
Check it out.
Yeah, we just checked it.
It's safe, yes, Judge.
You got it when? Today?
Yesterday.
Yesterday? Okay, we'll give you a week to see whether they accept or deny. If it's still in limbo, then I'll waive it. If it's accepted, he's got to be here to do a TRAS. If it's denied, then he's got to be here to do something with the case regardless.
I just wanted to ask a question over here. Mr. Lewis is currently, he has an ignition in the portable device at a screen. He had a BVR back in December, I believe, and that's when you gave him all.
Let me see.
I wanted to see if it would be okay if you removed the screen device.
Hey, how's he been doing?
His manager, because the last compliance check was over a month old and he's working on it right now.
Okay, if there's no violations and it's good to go, then I'll take the scram off. Okay, yeah, for sure. Hey, Herman,
I'll give you a case number. It's not on the document.
all right, talk to me.
260
Okay,
9871.
Sandoval,
260 1571.
yes.
He is going to a wedding, where he's partying in the wedding. He's asking if, it's from the 16th to the 19th in Florida, if he's on RUA.
He has a bond violation of about a week ago. Did we give him anything?
Don't know the answer to that question. Okay, look, because I wasn't coming for that.
Yes, I'm gonna make insurance, that he got us granted.
Okay, then yes, you're good.
Okay.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. Okay, hi. Hey, what's up?
Kelly was rolled till today for you to, pretty sure I'll take a look, see if there are any alcohol content.
Okay. Okay, you might want to check.
Just got an email.
You got an email from them?
Yes. About 5 minutes ago.
So.
There's one scram tamper while he was in the hospital.
So the GPS is confirmed that he was in the hospital during that entire time, and then there is one scram tamper, but we can't say the reason why.
Was there an alcohol detection at that time?
It's not.
No? Okay.
So, tamper just means like it lost contact with the skin.
You know, I got to tell you, this is just way too much drama for both of us. It's time to put this baby to bed, man. You know,
I want to step aside and talk to you.
it's really time. I mean, I'm sure that you are, you know, I mean, I can imagine how much you've been going through as well, because, you know, be careful what you, as they say, you know, when should we put it back on?
We're on the docket currently for, I think, May 21st or 23rd.
Okay, that's it then. Be ready for that day. Because he's got to either accept on that day or we got to just set up a trial. It's just, it's way too much, you know? So just prepare your client. He's got to be here that day. Don't schedule any hospital. Don't go anywhere else. You got to be here so we can finally take care of this and he can just move on with his life. You know? Okay, all right. We'll continue supervision.
Thank you.
Hey, good luck.
I appreciate that.
I mean, 3 weeks is a long time.
Okay,
Hey, I'm not gonna be long.
all right. I'm just gonna restart, I'm still working. It's going. Oh, no, like this baby. No complaint, really. All right. I think it was right. I mean, it was there was the first time, the opportunity, a lot of us come together. It should have been his fault. Hey, John. Oh, yeah, I'm amazing right next door. Where are you from? No. So he had an interview, he had a couple of interviews, I don't know what happened. This, his last day here, he did one of them, supposed to do it. And then, right after he took his out, when someone else had called him, was speaking, and he said something. Nice. Isn't that because he was Jill? Yeah, the one that he, the one you had over Zoom was, district clerk over there, clerk over there. I'm hoping that I'll say something, you know, you don't got it. We have jobs that we need. Yeah, we do, but you know, I'm feeling much for his name. He forgot, they're just, yeah. Hopefully he got it. I'm gonna take it from speaking to himself. It's just so fun.
That's good. I mean, not other.
I was hard.
Yeah,
I was
like-
wanting to do that, like, I mean, this job, so I don't do where it's gonna get around, yeah. So I want to. The difference. To your saying. Oh, okay, so you're good.
Yeah, no, a little bit. Yeah.
Good, I'm really, I'm gonna put this.
Okay.
It's crazy, nobody can see me, and I live, and we can leave up and extra. She was like, if you want, you can have my shit. Oh, I guess.
Just, leadership.
You know, I'm gonna get it over. Managing and you know, yeah, that's what the girl. Crystal. She's like, wow, and she was playing with the gym, like, fighting. She's like, yeah, with mama, and say, I'm kind of like, wow, I'm like, what? Oh, that's really cool. I'm just like, so like, this week, I'm just like, thinking.
Oh, it's just.
Imagine when we come with friends.
Oh, yeah. I mean, that's crazy.
Did he send her?
I should have moved first. Actually, the facilities, they do as well. Yeah. I know, but it's been fine, yeah. It's that just this sharing the station. More of those into food.
Wait, come on. It depends on what type of, it is, I can run it if it's.
Yes.
So she can.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yes, this is just
Campus cost me made college. Is a This post that section of others. You can leave us on these mistakes. I don't think you can really.
Hey, that's a question. No, just says, I'm waiting for this.
So Judge Williams are there, because we get those like more than one docket sometimes, so he'll wait for the day back. Before we step in. Okay, yes, the council, because then if you can prove, you send them for dockets. Yeah, the day out, if there's still, no, it's still waiting, then we'll already know. It's good, clients, they are still waiting on the denial, so, you know, it's. Yeah, the morning of, or the day before you can send emails and then talk to them in the morning. If the one don't have a response, then they'll bring it.
And he was on
Well, you've got to show, because you got to do a reset. Okay. Also, yeah, it's okay. Oh, the card. You're talking. Yeah, let's try that.
First name is Mary.
But you need to know what
Sorry, I'm very sorry. I'm doing now. That says,
Still set up, you can sell it all.
So I gotta keep forward with the so long. Figure out.
I was saying that you can use. But I mean, it's gonna be good.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, like she's never getting quite out of. Oh, then. What's the person? I figure out that we can find such a stupid thing. But do you want to do which one to see what we think? Yes. Yeah. So it's always. Yeah. And then, once it's a huge here, or use for appearance. It's lots of. So it's if there's a name in there, third one. Okay. Let's see what age it is at the time. Okay, okay. I'll push it. Thank you. She was. Can you ask, what was that? Yes, person? Person, yeah. She was there. Radio. And she said, he was at the right. What she said.
Okay. All right, you ready to go to the list? What'd you say?
After hours, what do you call it?
Oh, but we have no one coming.
We won't know. We won't know until they're fine.
I guess let's finish this though.
That means jump.
Yes.
Well, bottom of 6, did council approach you or something?
No. Did you get anything on Cooligan?
On which one?
Cooligan?
Julian.
Yeah.
I have the TRS saved and the application saved. I don't have a decision on it though.
Yeah, SFBF tomorrow. It's 213 days.
Bottom of 14, Jackson. Looking from yesterday, didn't get a response.
I believe so. Let me double check it. Spoke to Karina this morning, honey. Yes. There's an 18-month PTI offer.
So it was approved?
Yes.
On the bottom of page 14?
Yes, that was Jackson, that's who you're talking about.
Okay, where's Mr. Jackson now? Okay, so SFBF Monday to do a TRS.
All right, Judge, page 1516, Kelly. The council, for Kelly asked why the kids on docket today.
Which one? Which one?
Kelly is the last name.
This is Mr. Bells.
Oh, 15?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna put it on for the 21st. Is that what we said?
That's what it was originally.
Yeah, just put on for the 21st. That day's clear trial.
Okay.
And he knows. We spoke about it earlier today. It's just way too much drama.
Bottom of 21 is set for arraignment, those who appear.
Bottom of what?
21.
2501.
Bottom of 28, set for arraignment, coupons posted.
5002.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Carla, right this way. Are you done?
Judge, I was in the restroom earlier, but you were trying to reach out to Tyler Flood or something.
Yeah, he said he was gonna come by today, but I said, come by tomorrow.
Okay.
So He was in another county or something like that, I think.
I guess the combo with follow up what's going on with those for Tuesday and Wednesday dog. Yes, Mr. Green.
On Robles, you said he tested positive for cocaine today, but he took another test, right?
Yeah, so he's a Monday, Thursday tester, and so on Monday, it says he positive for THC. And
Got
so
it.
today, he tested positive for THC and cocaine. All right, so I have something. Everything is the same, different later in the city, and traveling while I could do it from back. I get it.
Okay, who's after you, Albert?
Page 33.
Wyrick?
Yes. So, do you remember, he was the one that called after the car accident, so he called the phone pretending to be a nurse. Said-
Today he called pretending to be the nurse?
He said, so we're gonna administer medication to Mr. Wiley, around 1, so he's gonna be here late. But his voice is very recognizable. So I said, Mr. Wiley, do you have extra? And he's like, no, but. So basically, he sent me back to Lupe, and he was a nurse. I was thinking, well, it's very. So it's very, yeah. So anyways, yeah, he's the last one, he's on page 33.
Yeah, okay.
2 bond posters.
Yeah, 5,000 on each. Bless you. Now, remind me if I'm crazy, but this is not the first time he has called to try to.
Last time he was in a car accident.
No, but there was another time he called, was it pretending to be someone else?
No, last time it was him, he was himself. In the car. He sent an email, maybe that's what you're thinking about, he sent that email. With like,
Hey, what's up? How are you, Tyler?
Good, Judge, how are you?
How are things going?
Pretty good. Just got back from Travis County, trying to go something this week.
How'd it go?
Hometown.
Hold on, let me Let me kill the live stream. I think we're done, right?
No, I'm totally fine. Like, love it, love it, love it. Can I ask